Hello and good morning. This is SBC forecaster Jared Geyer with your multimedia web briefing from the Storm Prediction Center. This information is valid as of early Tuesday morning, April 19th. Well, we had a destructive several days across the southern U.S. Thursday through Saturday of last week, and after a 2-day reprieve, another outbreak of severe storms is expected across the central U.S. later on today. We are forecasting the development of tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail from the Ozarks into parts of the Mississippi and lower Ohio valleys later on today through tonight. The areas most likely to experience this activity include northern and western Arkansas, downstate portions of Illinois and Indiana, as well as western and northern Kentucky, southern eastern Missouri, in addition to western Ohio, eastern Oklahoma, and northwest Tennessee. You can see our moderate risk as of early this morning, graphically depicted here. Again, we are expecting a very active severe weather day later on this afternoon and tonight, especially across the Ozarks, Middle Mississippi River Valley, and Ohio River Valley. This includes the possibility of large hail, tornadoes, as well as widespread damaging winds into this evening and overnight. Our water vapor satellite loop reflects a jet stream disturbance over the southern Rockies early this morning. This will be a key player in the severe weather potential later on today. This feature is expected to steadily advance east-northeastward and reach the Midwest and Ohio Valley later on tonight. Just before daybreak, we have surface low pressure currently developing across the southern plains, and that is expected to accelerate northeastward and reach northern Ohio by early Wednesday. A warm and humid air mass is already in place across the south-central U.S. along and south of a roughly west-to-east oriented surface frontal zone. Radar imagery depicts scattered thunderstorms, some with a hail threat ongoing across the Midwest early this morning. Now, in the wake of these storms, a moist and humid air mass will continue to develop northward across the Ohio River Valley through the day, and this will set the stage for an increasingly unstable air mass by afternoon. By early this evening, severe thunderstorms will likely already be ongoing near and east of the eastward advancing surface low near the Mississippi River, as well as along and ahead of an advancing cold front. Large hail and tornadoes will be a concern, especially late this afternoon through mid-evening across portions of eastern and southern Missouri, northern western Arkansas, and eastern Oklahoma into downstate portions of Illinois and Indiana. The severe weather threat will continue east-southeastward well through the night, and that will be across the Ohio, Tennessee river valleys as more of a widespread damaging wind and isolated tornado threat evolves. Please note that this experimental information is not updated and it's only intended for general briefing purposes only. Please consult the Storm Prediction Center and or local National Weather Service websites as well as media sources for the latest forecast information, watches, and warnings. This has been meteorologist Jared Geyer from the Storm Prediction Center.